Rodeo. Preview, then the lesson. 16 count intro.
In the back of the truck, she taking full control, round and round, up and down. She make them hips roll. She likes it fast, but she loves it slow. This country girl riding a pole like a rodeo. I'm ready for the night to begin.
Let's go.
Hop in the truck, put a 16.
Rodeo, real fun, popular dance here in Southern California. Oh my gosh, it is just so much fun, and you can do so many variations on it. But let's go with the basic steps. It's 32 counts, 4 walls. No tags, no restarts. But here in Southern California, some people add something that looks like a tag, but let's go with the basics today. So first 8, we're gonna walk, 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 out, out, in, cross. Okay, here we go. So we're at our 12 o'clock wall, and we do walk, walk, out, out, and cross. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left. Then we do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, quarter turn, and then a half turn over our right shoulder to our 9 o'clock wall with our left foot. And we do a hitch, a hitch. So first 8 with words right now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, out, out, and cross. Half turn, quarter turn, step back, hitch. And not everybody hitches right there, but I think it's fun. So now with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're at our 9 o'clock wall. One more time. The first 8 steps with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, out, out, and cross. Quarter, half, back, hitch. Good. Okay, let's move on. Second 8. So our left foot's free. So we step, and the variation can just be a slide, but I like to do a hitch. So just know you can step, slide, but make sure your weight is on your right foot, or you can do a hitch. So left foot, hitch. Now we're going to do another turn over our right shoulder, a half turn, left, right, and then you have a choice. Let's put those first 4 together. So we just did step, hitch, our first 8, second 8, step, hitch, left, right. Good. Half turn. Then some people do a walk, walk right there. But if you ask me, and the choreography is a triple step on the step sheet. So let's go from our hitch. Left foot's free. Left, hitch, turn left, turn right, triple step, and then you put your right toe down and do a body roll. However you want to do it, or shakes, or hips, whatever you want. Isn't that fun? You can add your own little style right there. But the most important thing is to keep your right foot just as a touch, so it's free to do the next step. So let's try that, the second 8 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hitch, left, right, left triple step, right toe, and body roll. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. Good. First 2 together. From the top, first 16 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, out, out. Whoops, I goofed. Sorry. First 16 counts. Rewind. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and out, and cross. Step, turn, step, hitch, left, right. Triple step, body roll. Good. That's the first 16. We're halfway done. Then we do the right foot's free, real important. No matter what type of body roll you do, or shakes or hips, your weight wants to be on your left, needs to be on your left. We're going to do a kick and point, walk, walk, or stomp in place and shake it. Okay, so the third 8 starts with our right foot with a kick and point, stomp, stomp, and a shake it. So with counts, we just did our body roll, right foot's free, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, after the shakes, you want to make sure your weight's on your left foot again. So it's right and left, left and right, right, left. Shake it, end on your left. Very important. Okay, with counts, third 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on your left. Okay, last 8. Yay! We're still facing our 3 o'clock wall. So this is our new wall. And we do two sailor steps, starting with the right foot, and a paddle turn 360. So the fourth 8 starts with the sailor step with the right foot. Back, side, side, 1 sailor step, 2 sailor steps. The second one starts with the left foot, back, side, side. Yes. So that's why we wanted to end on with our weight on our left, for sure, for sure, for sure. So the right foot's free to go. Back, side, side, back, side, side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. Again, your right foot's free again. So now we're just going to do a 360 paddle turn, coming back to our 3 o'clock wall over our left shoulder. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. So let's do the last 8. Sailor step right, sailor step left, and turn 2, 3, 4. And those are ands. And, or right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. Okay, so let's put the last 2 8s together. Start with the kick and point. Third 8, kick and point with the right foot. Kick and point, stomp, stomp, and shake it. Right foot free, sailor step, left sailor step, paddle, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, all 8s. Here we go. From the top with words and then with counts. 5, with words first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, out, out, in, cross, and quarter. Half, back, hitch, step, hitch, left, right, triple step, and a body roll, and a kick and point, stomp, stomp, and shake it. Sailor right, sailor left, paddle, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Then we do it on this wall, and that wall, and that wall, and keep going. You've got rodeo, 32 counts. You can do it. If you think you can, you can. Have fun. Hit subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments. I'd love to hear from you.